Buying a house shouldn't feel like volunteering for a 30-year stress subscription. Here's the absurd part. The broken system keeps acting like the problem is just supply, or just rates, or just permits. It's all of it. Mortgage volatility makes buyers freeze. Permitting delays burn time and cash. Utility costs keep climbing. And then the industry wonders why normal people are done playing this game. Shikkee exists because the old model is structurally stupid. Instead of construction chaos, Shikkee gives you a fixed-price home. Instead of year-long build drama, Shikkee assembles in 30 days. Instead of energy dependence, Shikkee homes come with integrated solar. Instead of juggling lenders, contractors, and paperwork, ShikkeeOS manages housing, energy, finance, and the full lifecycle in one system. The legacy housing industry sells uncertainty and calls it ownership. We're replacing that with a product. That's the shift. Not better home building. Not slightly improved development. A housing operating system that cuts out the nonsense. If the system requires chaos to function, the system deserves to be replaced. Shikkee is the replacement.